Hey, it's Glenn with ERD. You know, the guy in the video. And today I'm here to introduce our new product that we just developed for you, the trucker, using the CPC4 in the Freightliner Cascadia series of trucks. This innovative new system will allow you to prevent someone from stealing your CPC4 while you're parked on the side or at a truck stop. This innovative system is quick to install and easy to use and allows you to remove your CPC4 and put it in the attached bag that comes with the system to take it with you when you're not using your truck. We also include stickers that go on the truck so that somebody knows there is no CPC installed inside your truck when it's parked. Please see below for ordering instructions, and as follows, we have a video to show you how easy it is to use and install this system.